Now I'm going to explain about PHP data types. Welcome to our channel EM3 365. Like and subscribe, then press the bell icon and select all. By doing this, our new videos will reach you always. PHP supports how many data types and how many data types have been explained in plus 2 computer application subject book. So here in a plus 2 computer application book, 8 types of data types have been explained, and then PHP scripting language supports 13 primitive types of data types, and these data types plays a pivotal role in PHP scripting language. And now I'm going to explain 8 types of data types. 1. String, integer, float, Boolean, array, object, null, resource. First, string. String is one kind of data types which is used for a variable to assign or to store string values. String values means alphabets in English alphabets. The value may be letter or word or a string or line. Whatever it is, it might be a value, string value. While we are using string value at the moment, we need to use string data type. And if we use a string value, that string value must be surrounded by the double upper quotation. Because that's why string. That's what string. So here is one example. See the example. So opening and closing default tags of PHP. In between opening and closing PHP tag, there is one x value created and string computer application exclamation mark has been assigned. Then another one variable y has been created and the value of y is computer application surrounded by single upper quotation. So now they have display the x and y using the echo statement. Echo x variable, echo y variable. In between x line and y line, they have given one break line. There is no value, empty line. That's what they are. So in this way, we have to use string. Next, integer. So integer is another one kind of data type which is used to store or assign non-decimal numbers. Here is one example. See that example. So here x variable has been created. In that x variable 59,135 is a value, full value, non-decimal number has been assigned or stored in x value, and they have displayed the x value using the var dump predefined function, and the var dump predefined function will display the value of the x variable and the type of the x variable. And float. Float is another one kind of data type which is used to store decimal numbers. Decimal number means fractional number. To store fractional number, we can use the float data type. So see the example. Here is the same syntax, opening and closing syntax of PHP default syntax, and then in this example they have created a variable x and assigned the value 19.15. 19.15 is the decimal number. So if we use or if we store a decimal number, we have to use the float variable, float data type, and they have printed the x variable using the var dump predefined function. Next, Boolean data type. Boolean data type is another one data type. The Boolean data type have two possible states. The first one is true and second one is false. These two are false is the value. of Boolean data type. So the Boolean data type which is used to denote possible two states such as true or false. See the example. They have created two variables x and y. In x variable they have assigned true value, and in y variable they have assigned false value, and then they have print both x and y variable. That's why they have used the echo statement, echo $x and echo $y. In the first line the true will be displayed. In the second line the y value will be displayed, but here there is no break statement. So in one line first true, second false, like that will be displayed. Next, array data type. Array data type is another one data type which is a most important one also, but the array is a data type which is used to store multiple values in single variable name and single variable. And here one example for this array data type. So they have created the variable named cars. In that car variable they have assigned one array. In one array there is three values. All values is string value. First value is computer, second value is laptop, third value is mobile. So these three values are string, that's why they are surrounded by double upper quotations, and here multiple values have been given in one array. To separate these three multiple values they have used a comma operator, and these three values are inside the array, but the array is assigned to the car variable, and then they are displayed the cars variable to see the values of that array. That's why they have used the var dump predefined function, and inside var dump parenthesis $cars. Then it will display these three values and types. Basically the var dump is a system defined function, but this var dump function returns structured information. Structured information means type and value about a variables. That is what var dump function so work in the object data type. Object is one kind of data type, but the object data type consisting no elements, but which contain information about data and function inside the class. That's what object. So to use the object or to create an object, already we should have created one class. For the class only we can create an object. So object have nothing, but what are all the data and functions inside the class, those information will be assigned to the object. We can use the object to access the class members. That is what object. It's one kind of data type. See the example of object. First, in a PHP code, they have created one class using the class keyword. The class name is school. They have given. Inside the class school, inside the school class, they have given one function marks. Inside the mark function, they will assign a value a to the key sec, SEC, and the sec is inside the school class. That's why they have given this keyword, and this mark function closed and class is terminated. After that, beyond the closing F class, they have created one object. The object name is school underscore OPJ. It's a object name, but they have assigned the school class with a new keyword to the object. This is a format of creating object. So whenever or wherever we want to create an object, we have to assign the class with a new keyword. The new keyword must be in front of the class name, and they are going to display the sec value. That's why they have used the echo statement. The echo statement will display the school objects sec referencing the value a that will be displayed. And next, null data type. Null data type means it contains no values. That's what null. See the example. They have created one variable is x. Inside the x variable, they have given computer application as a value with a exclamation mark, and then a second, the same x variable have been created and assigned the value null. Now they are checking by using the var dump predefined function. So var dump of x variable. Now it will give the output null because the null contains no value. The first line, the x value is computer application. Second line, the x value is null. That is the output. And resources. Resources means this is one kind of another one variable. The resources is a variable, specific variable. It is used to reference to an external resources. External resources means file or database connections. To reference these two external resource, file and database connection, the resource need handler variable. See the example. So by using the f open, they have opened text. They have opened node.txt file with the R mode and then assigned to the variable handler, and they are checking the handle using the var dump and echo break, and then they are established one MySQL connection with the root ID and assigned the established connection to the link handle and checking the link using the var dump. In this manner, we have to use the data type resource. But in a PHP, we don't want to use the data types explicitly in front of the variable. But while we are creating a variable, and as well as if we assign a value to that same variable at the moment, depending on the value, what type of value we are going to assign or we have assigned, on that manner or corresponding to that value, a data type will be applied or assigned to the variable automatically. This is the method of PHP. So in next class, next study will be taken. Thanks for watching this video in our channel EM3 365. Like and subscribe, press the bell icon and select all. Our new videos will reach you always.